Dear student, in this video we will learn about the process of hybridization when coordination compound is paramagnetic or diamagnetic, inner orbital complex or outer orbital complex. What would be its effective atomic number EAM? So I am going to start this. Let us consider the example K4 FiCN6. This may be also written as FiCN6 minus 4. Here central atom is iron. The first of all we will write the oxidation state and coordination number, that is primary valency and secondary valency for the central atom Fi. Oxidation number or oxidation state. Oxidation state of Fi is +2. Coordination number is equal to 6. Now we will write the electronic configuration of Fi. After that, we have to remove 2 electrons from outermost shell of the Fi. The atomic number of iron is 26. Fi 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d6, 4s2, 4p0, 4d0. Being oxidation state +2, we will remove 2 electrons from outermost shell of the iron. It means we have to remove 2 electrons from 4s orbital. So configuration for Fi +2 will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d6, 4s0, 4p0, 4d0. D orbital is of the Phi type. So we will make Phi block for D, 1 block for S, and p orbitals are of the 3 types, so we will make 3 blocks for p. Thus 3d, 2, 3, 4. 4s 1 type and 4p of the 3 types. D orbital contains 6 electrons. So we will distribute these 6 electrons in 3D accordingly as Hund's rule. Electron will enter in degenerate 5d orbitals singly with parallel spin. After that, pairing will be started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cyanide is strong ligand. In presence of strong ligand, pairing will occur in the inner d orbital, that is in the 3d orbital. Here d orbital 3d orbital is not complete and our ligand cyanide is strong. When cyanide will approach to the central atom for the formation of coordinate bond, pairing will occur. Due to pairing, the orbital becomes vacant. And 4p. Now mind here that coordination number is 6. It means we need 6 vacant hybrid orbital. Or 6 vacant hybrid orbital. We have to mix 6 pure orbitals. Due to effect of strong ligand, 2d orbital becomes vacant. Due to availability of 2 vacant d orbitals, it will participate in the required hybridization. Thus, we will take 2d, 1s, and all the 3p. So, our hybridization will be D2sp3, D2sp3. It means we will take 2 inner d orbital, that is 3d orbital, 2 vacant d orbital from 3d, 1s orbital, and all the p orbital. So after availability of required number of vacant d orbitals, bond will set up between donor and acceptor, that is between central atom and ligand. F5 plus 2, 3d, and 2, 3, 4. Cn minus Cn minus Cn minus Cn minus Cn minus. It is clear that here inner d orbitals, that is 3d orbitals, are participated in the bond formation. On the basis of this, name of hybridization is D2sp3. The due to presence of inner d orbital, that is 3d orbital, compound will be regarded as inner orbital complex. All the electrons of 3d are paired. 3d has 6 electrons, and due to effect of strong ligand, all the 6 electrons are paired. The due to presence of unpaired electron in 3d, it will behave as diamagnetic substance. Inner d orbital participate in hybridization So it is inner orbital complex. All the 3D electrons are paired, hence it is diamagnetic. In nature, that is low spin complex. Effective atomic number of EAN, atomic number minus oxidation number or oxidation state plus 2 times number of monodentate ligand. Thus 26 minus 2 plus 2 times 6 is equal to 36. Now say about this compound due to D2sp3 hybridization, its shape would be octahedral. Shape octahedral. Fi plus 2 at the center, 6 ligands are at 6 carbons, 1 ligand above the plate while another below the plate. Cl minus, Cl minus, Cl minus, Cl minus. Next example, K3Fi6. K3Fi6 or Fi6 minus 3. Oxidation state of Fi, central atom, plus 3. Coordination number 6. Electronic configuration of Fi atomic number of Fi is 26. Electronic configuration of Fi 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d6, 4s2, 4p0, 4d0. Here oxidation state is +3. It means we have to remove 3 electrons from outermost shell of the Fi. For 3 electrons, we will remove 2 electrons from 4s and 1 electron from 3d. Thus, electronic configuration for ferric ion Fi+3 ion will be as follows. Fi+3, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d5, 4s0, 4p0, 4d0. Here ligand is cyanide. Cyanide is strong ligand. Again, 3d orbital is not fulfilled. If 3d orbital is not fulfilled and ligand is strong, pairing must occur in inner d orbital. So being incomplete 3d, electrons would be paired due to influence of this strong ligand cyanide. Thus, cyanide is strong ligand and 3d orbital is incomplete. 3d orbital is incomplete. Hence, pairing must occur. Pairing must occur in 3d orbital. Fi+3, d orbitals are of the 5 types. Four-s orbital is of the 1 type and 4p orbital. P orbitals are of the 3 types: px, py, pz. After this, we will write the distribution for the 5 electrons accordingly as Hundar rule. Due to pairing due to pairing, 4, 5. When pairing will start, 3d orbital will have 5 electrons, और due to pairing two pairs will be set up while one electron remain on a pair. The two electrons out of the 5 electrons, 4 electrons are paired. So thus two pairs are obtained and one electron will remain on a pair. Accordingly, as coordination number 6, we require 6 vacant hybrid d orbitals. So, due to availability of 2 vacant inner d orbital, that is 3d orbital, single s orbital and 3 p orbitals, our number is clear. So we will mix 2d, 1s and all the 3p. Thus our hybridization would be d2 sp3. Here inner d orbital, that is 3d orbitals, participate in the hybridization. So given complex will be inner orbital complex. Mind here that out of 5 d electrons, 1 electron remains on a pair. So due to availability of unpaired electron in inner d orbital, in 3d orbital, given compound will behave as paramagnetic compound. After this, we will represent the coordinate bond with the help of ligand. Coordinate bond is represented by full arrow, double barbed full arrow. Cn minus, Cn minus, Cn minus, Cn minus, Cn minus, Cn minus. Here full arrow represent coordinate bond. It is inner orbital complex. Due to presence of one unpaired electron in 3D, it will be paramagnetic or high spin complex. It is paramagnetic. Or high spin complex. Due to D2sp3 hybridization, shape will be octahedral. Fi plus 3, 6 ligands are set up here, 4 ligands at the 4 corners and 2 ligands above and below the plane. Cn minus, Cn minus, Cn minus, Cn minus, Cn minus, Cn minus. Effective atomic number 26 minus 3 plus 2 times 6. 23 plus 12, 35. Next example. Fi H2 6 Cl2. This is ligand, this is central metal atom. Oxidation state. Plus 2, coordination number 6. Now electronic configuration of Fi: 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d6, 4s2, 4p0, 4d0. Being oxidation number plus 2, we have to remove 2 electrons from outermost shell of the Fi. So we will write electronic configuration for ferrous ion, Fi plus 2 ion. Fi plus 2, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d6, 4s2, 4p0, 4d0. Here d orbital have 6 electrons, that is d orbital is incomplete, but ligand is water. Water is weak ligand. So due to presence of water, due to availability of water, pairing will not occur in inner 3 orbital, that is in 3d orbital. So any inner d orbital, any 3d orbital will not become vacant. So due to non-availability of vacant inner d orbital, we are compelled to take it. Means we will not take 3d orbital for our required hybridization. Being coordination number 6, we will require 6 vacant hybrid orbital. For 6 vacant hybrid orbital, our hybridization will be either d2sp3 or sp3d2. d2sp3 or sp3d2. Now question arises that which one will be take up here? The since water is weak ligand, hence pairing will not occur in 3D. Thus, 3D orbital will not vacate. Due to non-availability of vacant 3D orbital, we will not take 3D orbital, that is inner orbital, that is the d orbital from left hand side. We will take required number of d orbital from 4D. Hence, here our hybridization will be sp3 d2 instead of d2 sp3. Water is weak ligand, hence no pairing in 3D, that is inner 3D orbital. Fi plus 2 3D Fourier 4P and 4D. Our hybridization will be sp3 d2. Now coordinate bond will be represented by full arrow in the available vacant hybrid orbital provided by the central metal ion, that is by the ferrous ion Fi plus 2 ion. Three D orbital. Fourier 4P and 4D. H2O, 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 H2O. Due to presence of unpaired electron in inner d orbital, that is in 3D orbital, it will behave as paramagnetic material, that is high spin complex. It is paramagnetic. That is high spin complex. Effective atomic number minus oxidation state plus 2 times number of monodentate ligand. That is analogous to krypton, inert gas krypton. Now say in both cases sp3d2 or d2sp3 shape is similar, that is octahedral. Shape octahedral. Central atom, 4 ligands at 4 corners, and 2 ligands at above and below the plane. One example more, including the coordination number 6 for bidentate ligand. Up to now, we will read the nature of monodentate ligand. What will happen when bidentate or tridentate or tetradentate ligand present in the given complex compound? The manner is similar. For polydentate ligand, another method does not exist. Process are similar for all types of hybridization for the coordination compound. Whatever the ligand is monodentate or bidentate or tridentate or tetradentate. Yamayan C2O4 tries oxidation state +2 coordination number, oxalate is bidentate ligand and number of oxalates are 3. Hence coordination number would be 6. 2 into number of bidentate ligand. Two times 3, 6. Atomic number of magnesium 25. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d5, 4s2, 4p0, 4d0. Being oxidation number +2, we will remove 2 electron from the 4s. Mn +2. Four S0, 4p0, 4d0. Since oxalate is strong ligand and d orbital is not complete, if d orbital is incomplete and ligand is strong, pairing must occur in the inner d orbital. Oxalate is strong ligand. Hence, pairing occurs in 3d orbital. Thus, Mn +2, 3d, 5 electrons, 4s vacant, 4p vacant, 4d vacant. Due to pairing, here d orbital has 5 electrons. Oxalate is strong ligand. Due to effect of strong ligand, pairing will occur. So we will obtain only 2 pairs on the basis of 5 electrons. 1 electron will remain unpaired. So thus, due to pairing, 2 orbitals are fulfilled and 1 will have single electron. That is in unpaired form. Being coordination number 6, we will require 6 vacant hybrid orbital. For this, we will take 2 vacant from 3D, 1 vacant s orbital and 3 vacant p orbitals. Our hybridization will be D2 sp3. Now bond will be set up. Paired, unpaired, vacant hybrid. Argillate is bidentate ligands. One argillate will form 2 coordinate bond alone. C2O4 minus 2. For these two, C2O4 minus 2, and for these two, C2O4 minus 2. Shape will be octahedral and nature will be paramagnetic due to presence of one unpaired electron. Inner d orbital is participated in the bond formation, hence inner orbital complex. Being on a paired electron, it is paramagnetic. Effective atomic number minus oxidation state plus 4 times. Argillate is bidentate ligand form 2 coordinate bond alone. For each coordinate bond, 2 electrons, that is 1 pair electrons are donated. So 4 times number of bidentate. Thus EAM is equal to 25 minus 2 plus 4 times 3, 23 plus 12, that is 35. Shape octahedral. C2O4 minus 2, C2O4 minus 2, and C2O4 minus 2.